In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn. This is a quick and simple process that will take you no more than 5 minutes. LinkedIn is a powerful platform for connecting with professionals, making it an excellent place to advertise your job openings. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. If you're not already signed in, simply go to the LinkedIn website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your LinkedIn feed, which is essentially your homepage where you'll see updates from your connections and companies you follow. Next, look for the option to start a post. You should find this feature right at the top of your feed. Clicking this will open a new window where you usually write your text updates. Once you have the post window open, you'll want to select the icon that allows you to celebrate an occasion. It's usually represented with a small icon, and it's designed to help you share announcements, including job postings. After you've clicked on the celebration icon, you'll see an option for New Position. Click on this, and LinkedIn will guide you to the section where you can start crafting your job post. This is where you can announce that you're hiring and describe the position. To make your post stand out, it's a good idea to add a photo or an eye-catching graphic. Click on the button that says, Add a photo. If you already have a specific image in mind, you can upload it here. Alternatively, if you haven't prepared one yet, you can select a photo from the options LinkedIn provides. This visual will help catch the eyes of potential candidates as they scroll through their feed. Once you've added your image, click on the Next button to proceed. This will take you to the final step of drafting your job post. Now comes the important part: typing in the details of your job posting. Here, you'll want to include all relevant information about the position, such as the job title, responsibilities, qualifications required, and any other pertinent details that might interest candidates. Ensure your post is both informative and engaging to attract the best talent. After carefully reviewing your job post and ensuring all information is correct, it's time for the final step. Click on the Post button, and voila, your job announcement is live on LinkedIn and visible to all your connections and anyone who follows your page. And there you have it. You've successfully posted a job on LinkedIn. Remember, the more detailed and informative your job post is, the more likely you are to attract qualified candidates. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your hiring.